It's Monday afternoon and we've just arrived near Liverpool Street Station to surprise this week's lucky winner. His name is Sam Parry. He's just won himself a brand new Audi A6 All-Road. At late notice, we've just got a standard A6, so we're going to go around the corner and surprise him. He works for the police force. His girlfriend's told us he should be at work, so fingers crossed. So Lauren, Sam's girlfriend, is here with me. I hope he's at work.
I hope so too.
We don't know if he's going to be there or not because he's part of the police force. We can't really get hold of him, so fingers crossed, Sam, we're coming for you. Sam! Christian, hello mate.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
There is a reason your girlfriend here, and I'm so sorry that she's been calling you going, I'm in reception, we got something.
Oh my God, yeah.
Are you off duty now?
I just finished, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I show you something around the corner?
You can, yeah.
Excellent. Come with me, Sam.
Amazing. Do you know what, I only told her yesterday that I played. I never told her
It was
before.
so, how weird is that? We were just having this conversation about the fact that you said to her, oh, by the way, if you ever got a phone call on a Monday, answer it, and lo and behold, that's what you've done.
Yeah, unreal.
Sam, I'm pleased to say
Unreal.
you're this week's winner.
Thank
and
you
you've just
so
won
much.
a brand new Audi A6. Now, the one you've won is actually the All-Road version that you played for, so it's a little bit more jacked up, bigger wheel arches. Come around here, we can have a look at it. Lauren's already seen it, she's gone round, she already knows what colour she wants and everything. But she was saying you just want to the country.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
Oh, so a car like this is absolutely perfect.
Yeah, amazing, thank you.
Not a problem. Come here.
Cheers.
Do you want to sit inside?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, come on. How's it feel?
Yeah, I love it.
It's a brand new car for Audi in terms of all this interior has changed. So they've kept the virtual cockpit because that is amazing. So you've got all the functions of the virtual cockpit, whether you want to go from map view to the memory to any of the driving modes, you can do it all on there. And then in the middle now, you've got all of the controls, but all of it's touchscreen. So all of the stuff down at the bottom is touchscreen, all of the bit at the top is touchscreen as well.
Amazing.
You get loads of room in this car. It's really, really cool. An amazing feature that they've just added is this button here. So if you push it, I'm feeling a bit cold.
What temperature should I set for you?
And then you can just ask it to 23 degrees.
Could you say that again?
23 degrees. There you go. And it sets it to 23 degrees. You can ask it to take you anywhere or do anything.
Yeah.
It's basically having Siri in your car.
Mental. Love it.
So what made you play for this car?
I always either play for estates or for sort of like off-roaders, so like SQ5s and stuff like that. But yeah, just anything four-wheel drive with a lot of space. Could do a lot of diving.
Okay, so you've got some tanks and stuff to put in the back. Amazing.
Yeah.
Well, there is one other thing, Sam. Do you know what that is?
Oh, I think I do, yeah.
Come with me. So Sam, not only have you won a £50,000 Audi, you've also won, if the button works, I'll just open it and I'll do that again. Sam, not only have you won a £50,000 Audi, you've also won £20,000 in cash.
Amazing. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
Excellent.
What do you think some of the money's going to go on? Lauren's already specking up a holiday, I think.
Yeah, the new house, probably.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's his money.
That's a very good partner there to have. Maybe a holiday. Maybe a holiday.
Yeah.
Well, you must work bloody hard for the force, so have a bit of time off.
Yeah.
Put your feet up, maybe go somewhere nice. If they let you.
Oh, amazing.
Well, congrats again.
No, thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Huge congratulations again to Sam Parry winning a brand new Audi A6 All-Road. £50,000 of car and 20 grand in cash. We'll of course be back out again on the road next week, hopefully surprising you. Good luck. Perfectly done. Perfectly done. Nice job.